And Kong Egay, should your petition prosper, where do you see the elections going for 2025? Do you ever see a scenario where we'll have manual vote counting?
That's why I am appealing to the Senate. Kasi meron tayong Senate Committee on Electoral Reforms. Hindi nangyayari ito nung mga nakaraan kasi simula pa lang, binubusisi na nila yung sistema, binubusisi nila yung kontrata. Pero ngayon, despite the privileged speech of Senator Risa Hontiveros alleging some red flags sa Miro contract, hindi kinunbin, hindi nagpatawag ng investigation. Parang once lang yata nagpatawag si Senator Amy, being the chairman of the Senate Committee on Electoral Reforms. Kaya nananawagan ako kay Senator Amy, baka with this development, dapat siguro i-convene na yung at mag-imbestigahan niya. And I'm willing to testify and provide them with all with the necessary documents to prove my allegations. Alam mo, nung sa Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms, hindi pa tapos yung bidding, iniimbestigahan na ito. Actually, ginawa nila akong resource person. For about twice na imbita ako. Nung third time, I was supposed to testify, pero kinausap ako ng chairman ng committee, sabi sa akin, pasensya ka na pare, pinatanggal sa agenda tungkol dito sa Miro. So mula noon hindi na napag-usapan ng House. Nananawagan din ako kay President Bongbong. I believe in his sincerity. Pero baka meron akong kaibigan, sabi minsan daw na sabi ni President Bongbong, nahihirapan siya dahil hindi niya alam kung sino yung mga nagsasabi sa kanya ng totoo. Every time na may mga nakakausap siya. So, baka pwedeng malalimang imbestigahan ito dahil under his watch, itong election na ito, dinamay na siya ni Chairman George Garcia. Dahil sinabi ni Chairman George Garcia in one of his press releases na this particular decision to transact a new system is an all-government decision.